Getting the nation's all but stopped economy working again is high on President Trump's list. Mr. Trump describes the effort as, quote, the biggest decision he's ever had to make. The president has signaled interest in May 1st as a possible day to start easing restrictions. He says he'll let the facts determine what he does. Nikole Killion is at the White House this morning with more. Nikole, good morning.
Hey, good morning to you, Dana. President Trump said he plans to name a new task force Tuesday to examine when and how to reopen the country, and he said it's a decision he won't make lightly.
I call it the Opening Our Country Task Force, or Opening Our Country Councils.
President Trump said he's assembling a panel of experts, including doctors, business leaders, and governors, to help guide his decision on when to restart the economy.
I'm going to have to make a decision, and I only hope to God that it's the right decision. But I would say, without question, it's the biggest decision I've ever had to make.
After the Surgeon General warned this week could be the nation's equivalent of Pearl Harbor or 9/11, the president said the U.S. death toll could be substantially lower than original estimates of 100,000 or more.
It's really about the encouraging signs that we see, but as encouraging as they are, we have not reached the peak.
The New York Times obtained projections from the Departments of Homeland Security and Health and Human Services that show cases could spike if stay-at-home orders are lifted after 30 days. Officials with both agencies declined to comment on the documents to CBS News.
Don't let anyone get any false ideas that when we decide at a proper time when we're going to be relaxing some of the restrictions, there's no doubt you're going to see cases.
As millions of unemployed workers hang in the balance, the IRS announced automatic stimulus payments will start going out next week. Many small business owners anxiously awaited loans from the Payment Protection Program to cover payroll. CBS News obtained this notice from Wells Fargo warning of possible delays due to high demand and limited funds that could run out.
So the money is getting out. The applications are far beyond what we ever anticipated.
The Treasury Secretary has requested more money for the loan program and has restarted talks with congressional leaders. The president also said there would be a meeting with airlines over the weekend. They're eligible for $25 billion in cash grants, but multiple sources tell CBS News that Treasury told them they may have to pay some of it back. Michelle?
Oh, thank you, Nikole. Nikole Killion at the White House.